Hello, beautiful. Welcome or welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Jeannie. I'm really glad that you stopped by for this video, and I hope by the end of the video, they'll decide to stick around for a while. I would absolutely love to have you here. So if you're returning, thank you so much for your continued support. You guys, I am excited for this video because I'm just excited to do like a chill sit back video. The babies are napping and I'm off work today. I'm in like my cozy clothes, just kind of getting everything ready. Tomorrow will be the first day that the babies go to daycare ever. And I'll be starting my new job next week. So I'm just taking my time, getting laundry done, getting things done around the house. But I did get a box in the mail today, finally. I got about half of my mega drop shop order from BoxyCharm from last month. I have a whole, I would say this is about half of what I ordered. They are really slow on shipping right now. The slowest that I have ever seen. But they'll get here when they get here. But so I got about half of my order, and then I have a whole nother order from this drop shop that's going on like literally right now still. But anyhow, we're going to get into what I got. I can't wait to share it with you, and let's just jump into it. Make sure you got a drink, your cozy socks, your pet, a snack, whatever it is that makes you comfortable, and let's talk BoxyCharm products. Okay, so the first thing that I got was this little shampoo and conditioner duo. This is from the brand, I don't know if it's pronounced Outry or something like that. I'm not exactly sure on the pronunciation. But a while back in BoxyCharm, we did get a spray leave-in conditioner from this brand, and I absolutely love it for my kids. All of my kids have curly hair. My oldest is 14. He's biracial, and so he's got really curly hair. But then my two babies, 2 and 3 years old, they both have super curly hair too. They don't get it from me. They all three of them get it from their dad. My two youngers are not biracial, but they just have strawberry blonde curls. And anyhow, so I do really love what that leave-in conditioner does for curls, and also it smells amazing. These are infused with CBD, which I like. I like that whenever I can get it. I just think that CBD has so many beneficial properties to it, from like, anxiety, depression, it helps in skincare. I like it. So I wanted to go ahead and try the shampoo and conditioner. I will try them on myself. And when it comes to like shampoo and conditioner for the babies, I like to use like baby shampoo and conditioner just in case they get it in their eyes. But because I really liked the one product, I wanted to just go ahead and give those a try. So there's that. And then next, from the brand Saints and Sinners, I got this Velvet Divine Hair Mask. I'm always in the market for a good hair mask. I absolutely love the Rose and Quartz hair mask that we see in Ipsy and BoxyCharm from time to time. That is literally like my conditioner. I have purchased so much of it. I purchase it anytime I see it on Ipsy or BoxyCharm. It hasn't been on BoxyCharm for a while, as far as I know, but I see it, the little ones, on Ipsy from time to time, and I also purchase them off of Macari because it's literally what I use for my conditioner. I love it so much, but I do love a good hair mask, and this is one that I have not tried yet. If this is one that you have tried, I'd love to know your thoughts on it down below. I actually have a hair appointment on Friday. I can't wait. I'm getting my blonde redone before I start my new job next week. My hair is looking so dark. It needs it. I love to be just like bright platinum blonde. Even my blonde is really dark right now, like very yellow toned. And then when I have it up in a ponytail, it just looks dark. It just looks dark brown because I have very dark natural hair. But because I get my hair from dark to blonde, and that's how I like to wear my hair does suffer from dryness and bleaching damage. Even getting it done in a salon, it still damages your hair. You're stripping your hair of its color and it dries it out. So I'm always looking for a good hair mask. Next, I got this from the brand Dew of the Gods, which I really have come to like this brand. I've tried quite a few things from them, from both Ipsy and BoxyCharm, but this is a product that I have not yet tried. This is their The Theory Oat Milk and Retinol Moisturizing Cream. I love good skincare products, and I love when I can get them at a discount. So that is one thing. Like, I actually mentioned in a recent video that I am known to go really crazy on these BoxyCharm sales, and I am going to start reeling it in. In fact, I've already started reeling it in, because I want to use that extra money towards buying new launches and reviewing them here on the channel, checking out indie brands that I've never tried, and just that kind of thing, instead of spending every extra dime that I have on these BoxyCharm sales. But I will say I will always use it to try out and restock on good skincare products, because good skincare can be expensive, and when I can get it at a discount in the sale, I'm totally here for that. So the packaging is kind of black. I really shouldn't open it because I don't need a new skincare product open right now. I'm not going to take the safety seal off. I just wanted to kind of smell it. I don't really, I mean, there's a scent to it, but it doesn't seem like it's anything overpowering, which is good. And I'll definitely let you know and update you once I tried it. I also just realized they added a little coupon inside of the box. So if you go to their website and order anything off of their website, you can get 30% off by using the code CHARM30 at checkout. So if anybody was wanting to purchase anything, use that code, get 30% off. Again, the code is CHARM30. And there's quite a few products that I do really love from this brand. So excited to try a new one. Next, from Vita Bird C12. This is their wrinkle serum. It's supposed to firm and revitalize. So again, I like to stock up on high-end skincare in these sales because skincare can be so expensive. Here's another skincare product, and I think the rest is makeup after that. But I got another one of these Malin and Goats Resurfacing Face Serum. The first time I got this product, I do believe was in an Ipsy Glam Bag or possibly a Glam Bag X, but there's the packaging, just kind of basic packaging, glass, and then you got the dropper. But I actually really loved this serum and I used it up, so I wanted to go ahead and grab another one. Next, I've actually been seeing this on the sale on and off for a while, and I wanted to just go ahead and pull the trigger on it. It's from Beauty by Pop Sugar, and it is their Be Relentless Stay Put Eyeliner. The shade is in Up, Up, and Away. I'm sure that I've tried a couple things from this brand, but I don't think that I currently have anything from the brand in my collection. And I like these really light colors for my waterline. So as you can see, it's just a very, very, very light blue, which in the waterline is really just probably going to look white. And I like to do a little bit of that in the waterline. It really, really opens up the eye. I had to retrain myself because I am of the age where putting black liner on your waterline was what was up. But I've since realized that you can get a much prettier, softer look and still get that defined under eye area by using a darker shadow underneath, like on your lash line, but not on the waterline. And then if you use a light colored liner on your waterline, it really just helps to open the eye. So I have a ton of liners, but I'm kind of low on like light waterline colored liners. So I wanted to grab a new one. Now this is from the Balm, and it is an eye primer. It says priming is everything. It's really cute outer packaging with the rainbow. And this is what she looks like. So it is an eye primer. Kind of want to, ooh, that actually feels really nice. Okay, so that feels really nice. And I do like a primer that not only primes, but adds a little bit of coverage. Now that actually looks dark. But that's okay. I mean, I can still totally make that work, putting it all over the lid and then setting it down with a powder and then going in with the shadows. But I don't think I've tried anything from the Balm. Maybe I have, I can't remember, but I wanted to just have something of theirs in my collection, and you can never have too many primers, in my opinion. Okay, moving right along, I did get this. This is, who is this by? Deco. This is Deco Cuticle Oil in Lavender, Miami. Okay, so this is by Deco Miami. And it is a lavender cuticle oil. I actually got the pumpkin spice cuticle oil from the sale like maybe last month or the month before, and then my toddlers got a hold of it and just opened it up and got it all over, and so I needed a new cuticle oil. I will say the packaging on this is freaking adorable. And I definitely want to smell it. I love this lavender. Okay, yep, definitely smell the lavender, very calming. But I also love pumpkin spice, so I was pretty bummed out about that. But anyhow, we got a new cuticle oil. Next, this is actually, so I actually bought 2 of these from the sale. The other one will come in the other half of the order whenever it gets here. And I do have one that I already got that's open from Ipsy Glam Bag X maybe. But it's, or maybe I bought it on the sale. I think I bought it on the sale. Yeah, I did. It came with this, and it came with the nude stick foundation together. It was a add-on in Ipsy. But anyhow, so it's the Dominique Cosmetics Blur and Moisture Serum Primer. I do have one that is open already, and then I got this backup and another backup because I really love this primer, and I just really love her brand. If you're not new here, I'm sure you've heard me say before, I have never tried anything from Dominique Cosmetics that I didn't just love. Like, not only do I just like it, but like I love it. I love her products. So I have yet to try anything that I don't love. And I really love the moisture and the blurring effect in one. Because typically if it's a blurring primer, it's targeted towards oily skin. And if it's a moisturizing primer, it doesn't have any blurring effect. So I like that it's got both, and I find that it does a really nice job. So I really like that primer. Next, this is the Clean AF, the One and Done Long Wear Volumizing Mascara from Lawless. I actually have one right here, and I actually have it on my eyes right now. So I ended up receiving this in my PR Luxe box for BoxyCharm. And when I saw the wand, I'm like, oh man, this ain't gonna be for me. It's just not my type of wand. The bristles are really stubby. They're like almost non-existent. And I usually find wands like this to be messy, goopy, overly wet, and just not my cup of tea when it comes to mascara. But I tried it when I did the try on for all of the products in my box, and I was amazed at how much I loved it, and I have been reaching for it a lot. So if you're not new here, you know that the Bite Beauty Upswing is my go-to ride or die mascara. It lengthens, it separates, it volumizes, it literally does it all in terms of mascara, and I love it. I literally have this guy sitting in my everyday go-to makeup crate here on my desk. I've got the 2 of them sitting there together, and I never thought that would happen. I never thought that I would find something, and I still reach for my Bite Beauty, but I also have been finding myself reaching for that. So I'm actually really excited to have a backup. It is a mascara that I have really been enjoying, and I like it. The formula is not overly wet, and it just really is nice. Like, it's nice. So I got 2 more products. One of them is by Florence by Mills. It is their Glow Yeah Lip Oil. I just love lip products. I have dry skin, dry lips. So I love a good lip oil. That is the packaging. It's kind of like a lavender, and it looks like it's kind of like a coral toned, but then when you apply it, it's probably going to be more clear. Let's just check it out. Yeah, so it's probably going to go on clear. Don't really notice a scent to it, but it does feel really nice and hydrating. So in my opinion, you can't have enough lip oils. And then last but not least, speaking of lip products, from Aceology, I got the exfoliating, hydrating, and smoothing overnight lip treatment. I've seen this in the boxes from time to time, but I never did end up with it in any of my variations, my paid for or my PRs. I have gotten some of their face masks, but never the overnight lip mask. So I wanted to give it a go, especially, you know, coming into, you know, fall is like upon us, and then after that winter, and I don't know where you are from, but I am here in Michigan where it gets bitterly cold, and if you are somebody with already dry skin, it just wreaks havoc on your skin, your lips, your hands, like literally your skin from head to toe. So I'm just kind of stocking up on my hydration products for my lips. And yeah, so that's about half of what I ordered in the BoxyCharm Mega Drop Shop last month in August. I'm still waiting on the other half of it to arrive. And then I also do have another order that I placed for this month's BoxyCharm sale that is still going on right now. So I'll be back to unbox all of those. So I actually found out, you guys, the name of the cosmetic company that I was speaking of in a video. So I ordered the Natasha Denona My Dreams eyeshadow palette, did a look with that. I placed an order with Pat McGrath Labs. I've got that. That'll be a video coming up. And then I placed an order with Cleona Cosmetics, and I placed it on the 10th, and I'm still waiting. I hope it comes soon, but they have some of the most beautiful multi-chrome eyeshadows that I've ever seen, and I can't believe that I had not heard of this brand before. Ended up seeing them on Angelina Ninquist here on YouTube, and then also again on Stephanie from Opinionated Horsewoman just put up a video. She just got some news. I can't believe I never knew about this brand, and I can't wait to get my shadows. So hopefully they'll be here soon, and as soon as they get here, I will be on here immediately showing you guys what I got. I spent $105 on that order, and if I end up just falling in love with the formula, I will definitely be going back to purchase a few more at a time until I have the whole stinking collection. So, yeah, I definitely plan on peeling back on my BoxyCharm and Ipsy purchasing so that I can get new launches and just have an opportunity to review more new things here on the channel. And I'm really excited for that. But that's going to be it for now. And until next time, stay safe, stay beautiful. I'll see you soon. Bye.